Hey, what's up everybody? It's Coach Mare and Coach Gabby. We are super excited because we have an awesome chair yoga workout and our core is going to be on fire for this one. So if you guys are ready, we're ready. You know what to do. We go through all the exercises and then do a workout together. Coach Gabby is going to be our model today. I'm going to do a couple of the workouts you guys too, little the exercises, but the first one we're going to do is a cat-cow. So this is a chair yoga workout for your core, meaning great posture, also sit up nice and tall, chin up, chest back, belly button into your spine, right? And then cat-cow, so you're going to be rolling forward and then extending back, right? Really opening yourself up at the end, good. Really feeling like you're getting that big range of motion as you curl and then extend back and squeeze those shoulder blades. Good. So that's the first exercise, simply cat-cow, really just to get you warmed up in your core and in your back. Then we're doing high knees. So that high knee just straight across, high knee straight across to your hands, good. So here we're just gonna be lifting and twisting, good. So here, I see how she's leaning back a tiny bit. What we're gonna find here is that we're gonna be, oh, mosquito, sorry, had to get it, mosquito.
Thank you,
mosquito.
she
Saved her life, good. So this is a twisting core workout. There's a lot of mosquitoes out here, people. So if you see me like going like this, it's not because I'm like trying to work out more, it's just because I'm trying to survive.
But we are burning calories, swatting them away.
Exactly, a little bit extra for you
benefit.
guys. The next exercise is spinal twist. So arms are gonna be open, and I want you guys to twist and really pull in your core almost like a vacuum as you twist across, good. So you can do it a couple different ways. You can look at me, forward, Gabby, and then just twist over your core, good. So you feel a little bit different there, you have to stabilize in your obliques, right? So stabilizing the obliques, good, perfect. Then one more turn, and then try to turn that way. So leading right across, and then reaching your arms, good, and then switch sides, turn towards me again this way, good, perfect. And rest. So that last two is really to open you up and to really extend out and over. Next, we're just gonna be doing a simple crunch. So I want you to come forward, come back, and as you come forward, you're really gonna roll like that cat-cow, but you're gonna be more focused on your core coming up over top as you pivot over your hips. Good, good.
And that lean back, you know, holding myself right there,
Yeah, tell us how you feel about it, Gabby.
It also uses your back, which your back is part of your core muscles.
Exactly, well it's all part of that girdle, right? So you're all inside the girdle, coming forward and then rolling and then back. And really as you come back, feel yourself where that level is, where you might start to fall, and try and just keep your body nice and locked in. Pull the core and just sit here for a second and feel your butt connected to the seat, right? Elbows back, and then sit forward. And then we're going to the next exercise.
And also holding it straight. That's the key right there. Is not going backwards, it's holding it straight.
And you see her chin come up? So she was here and then came up, and this is what you're getting, is that you're gonna get this tight core and also extended, so you look taller, you have better posture, and you look slimmer.
Just from holding that position, I was already shaking because of how many muscles I was using.
So if it's not hard, it means you're not doing it right. It means slow down, tighten your core, and really feel yourself doing these. You're not to rush through these exercises, right? The last one is gonna be a side bend, okay? So Gabby, demonstrate the side bend, straight up and over, reaching up and really extending from your lats. So extend from that center point in your lats, up and over, good.
I'm gonna do a little front view here too.
So notice how she's extending. She's not bending at the core at all in her waist. She's extending up and then coming over, good.
Think of like a string is pulling you up and then over. You're not just kind of like bleh.
Straight up, right, that straight line, and then over, good. So that is your awesome chair yoga core workout. Let's get to it. 30 seconds each exercise. Are you guys ready? We're ready. 3, 2, 1, and cat-cow. So remember, don't rush through this. It's timed, not how many you can do. It's how much you're opening and closing up that core, really warming up your back, even your neck, right? Your neck and your throat, everywhere has a lot of muscle in your neck. So make sure you're really extending out, pushing your chin up to the sky. Good. Rolling. Notice that she's really rounding her back when she comes back on this last one. Good, rounding her back here, really pushing through and then coming forward and then seated. So now we're doing that cross crunch, right? Knee to elbow. Okay, 30 seconds, if you can, coming straight up, good. So she can rotate, if you can, sitting. When you're rotating, you can rotate more to get a little bit more of that core. As you rotate forward, you can come to your elbow, good. Good. Sit a little bit farther back, lean a little bit farther back from me, everybody. Feel your core.
Oh, yeah.
There it is. There we go, good. Good, feel your core locked in, nice. Good, take a 5-second break, so sit up nice and tall and just hands to the sky for a second. Good, we're gonna do that same thing for 10 seconds, just like that, leaning back, really getting your core, because I want you guys to focus on making sure you're really hitting that. So now, do your couple, 10 seconds, hands down here. Good, just a stretch, there you go, good, nice.
Oh, it's just
good,
a stretch.
Yeah, just a big stretch.
I could do this too, like arms together.
That's another great exercise. So we can mix this up, and the most important thing, and why I love having Coach Gaby here with us, is that she can do things like this. Tell you alternate exercises that you can actually use, that things that I'm not telling you, which is awesome because she's not me, which is a great thing because we've got all these extra exercises.
Two minds, two ideas. It's a
awesome.
brainstorm
So we're
party.
Totally pumped about it. All right, next exercise here, going across. Okay, big open and closing down on that crunch. So back to that same cat-cow, opening and closing. Good. Good, really closing it down as you open up and open those shoulders up, open up the chest. Good. Really compress, starting almost like Pilates, starting from each of your vertebrae as you come forward. Good, good, good. Good work here. Got about 10 seconds as you come forward. Nice, good work. How you feeling, Coach Gaby?
I'm feeling great. It's such a simple movement, but every time I come back here, my body shakes a little bit just because of how many muscles I'm using. And
press those feet into the ground too,
exactly.
Right? Like, there you go, perfect.
Moving
Don't
with
let them
intention. I learned that phrase from you.
Hey, learn something new every day, right? So awesome. Good, let's go 2 more. Last one after this. Really reach, find that pivot point, and then come forward. Good, good. Stretch it out a little bit here. Next.
Shake off those mosquitoes.
Got that twist, exactly. Got that spinal twist coming up. Okay, so rotating, and I want you to keep your gaze forward, okay? So rotating off that core, and I'm gonna be doing standing so you guys can see. So I'm just gonna be rotating like this. So she has fixed hips, but you can see that same kind of movement as we move forward. Really rotate and try and pull in your stomach, pull in your belly button to your spine, and rotate. Good.
Shoulders pressed away from your ears.
Exactly.
So pressing them
Pull
down.
them down and away. Down and away. Down and away. Good. Nice. Let's go 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good.
Woo.
Stretch it out. All right, what's next, Coach Gaby?
All right, next we have our side bends.
Let's do it. Side bends. Arms up. So to the side, I'm gonna do these 2. So we're doing these for 30 seconds, right? Up and then reach. Ready?
Yes, I'm gonna do this.
Right here and reach. Really reach to the side. I'm gonna stay 5 seconds each side because I want you to focus on really isolating, right? Pull over and pull. So from this side, really pull. Hand can even be on your hip here. Really extend up and out, or follow Coach Gaby. A little bit of a different mix, so you guys have a couple different exercises to choose from. Good. Let's go 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6. Good. Chin up, chest up. 4, 3, 2, and down. Okay, let's come to a standing position. Just kind of shake it out a little bit. Now we got our second round. How's everybody feeling? Everybody feeling good? You feeling good?
I am
Feeling
good. I just
awesome?
like woke up. I just like stood up and I felt like I woke up.
Woke
Whoa.
up a little bit, right?
Hello.
Okay, shake it out. We're going second round here. So take your seat. Let's do this. 30 seconds on, and then transitioning. So this is really great warm-up workout. Really great when you get up out of bed. You can do this as soon as you wake up or right before you go to bed.
In your office, if you sit at a desk all day, hey, chair right there for you.
Exactly. Dining room table. You could do it really anywhere, anytime. So here we go. 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go. Cat-cow. Really over accentuating those movements because you're already warmed up now.
And also rolling your shoulders back when you come up here, rolling them back and then lifting the head.
Good. You can see how she's really rounding her back here, really rounding here. Coming forward, almost pinching these shoulder blades. She looks up to the sky, that same pencil pinching. Okay, everything is like that because we're utilizing bigger muscle groups in your back to pull yourself back rather than using your tiny little shoulder muscles to pull yourself back. You're gonna use your back, good. Let's go 2 more. Good, pull back, good. Last one. Really round down. Last one, really reach up to the sky with that chin. And good.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's rotate. Whoa. Ready? You got those knees up. We're gonna be rotating here, just coming across, right? Just coming across. I'm gonna come here across. You guys see a little bit more of these.
I kind of like my
I did too.
My
I like
hands
this
have got two
alternate-
different
I like this alternate
variations.
version too. So there's a lot of different ways that you can do this exercise. The biggest thing is you're extending and then crunching. Extend and crunch. Extend and crunch. Really get that full range of motion from your core.
And Coach
Good.
Mary, are we doing flex feet or pointed feet?
Let's do flexed feet. Right, flexed feet is really gonna light you up here. Good. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7. Good. You got this, Gabby. 6, 5. I'm taking a break. 4, 3, 2, and right into twist. Let's go right into that spinal twist. Trying to give you a high five there. Good. Reaching. Now I want you to follow your gaze with your eyes.
Okay.
Follow your gaze with your eyes now. Good as you rotate. Good. How do you feel the difference there?
I feel like when I'm fixated, I have to really focus more on my torso, and it's a little bit tougher.
Tougher when you're fixed and you can't look.
Yes, exactly.
So she's having more of an extension when she's looking back towards her hand, so she can actually get a little bit more from the top of her shoulder blades. Good. Good, a little bit extra there at the end. So even if you're here and you're opening, see how much more I can almost look straight back,
Yep, exactly.
rather than just being fixed here and trying to reach from either side.
You
Go
need a
3
little
more.
more control when your gaze is fixated.
Let's go 3 more. 3, good. 2, nice, and 1, awesome job. All right, crunches, seated crunches, right? So
do 'em.
forward and back, extend and crunch down. So really feel like you're crunching, almost like you're bowing down from the top of your abs, so you can extend and come over top as you curl. Coming over top as you curl, pulling in, and then rounding that same motion there. Good. Up and over and curl. Good, nice. Good, really push those elbows in together as you come down. Good work.
I'm almost touching them to my knees, on the inside of my knees.
Good. You can close your eyes doing this and try and think about being inside the middle part of your core, extending and crunching down over the top of your legs. Be inside that muscle. It's really how you get to really activate things and to have that muscle-mind connection is when you really think about being inside that muscle. Good, 3 more. 3, good. 2, nice. And then last one, really extend. And then come up and over. 1, good. Woo! All right, side bends.
Yeah, let's
Right
do
into
it.
side bends, okay. I'm gonna go from here, grabbing the side. So if you want, feet need to be planted straight down, right? Pointed ahead and reaching. And I'm reaching up and back this time, really finding that center point in my core and also my lats as I reach, right? Gabby's gonna be side to side, sitting back, reaching. Good, stick it here. Good, let's go 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1 more. What I want you to do is just streamline, so overlap your hands all the way above your head and just reach up to the sky as high as you can, like a balloon is pulling you all the way up to the clouds. Hold it, breathe nice and even, pull in your core. 3, 2, 1, and rest.
Yes, great ending. I love
Right?
that.
That
was
feel good?
awesome.
Oh.
Awesome.
Good, roll it out. So that's 2 rounds of your awesome chair and yoga workout. My core is on fire. If you guys want another round, hit rewind. If not, this was an awesome workout. I had a great time with Gabby. She teaches me something new every single day. So if you want to learn something new from Gabby, check out all of her videos on the channel. I'll see you guys. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Absolutely. Bye.